Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to green screen in Capcut Mobile. So we're going to start by opening your project that you have your media already imported into. For me, that's this video right here, or this little project right here, where I have this video of Greece, a little sunset view. All you're going to want to do, and it's super easy to green screen, is you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to click overlay. Hit add overlay, and you're going to find your green screen content and you're going to add that green screen content. Now, right after that, depending on the size of the content, you may have to resize it. Right here, there's a little bar to help you resize it in the corner. And for me, I'm just going to make it full screen like that. And now it's full screen. And something you want to make sure right before we do this last part of the green screen is you want to make sure that you have the bottom layer selected, which is your overlay. And then once you have your bottom layer selected, you're going to want to roll over on the bottom menu until you see remove background. Click remove background, and then you're going to want to click chroma key, which this is what allows you to remove the green, and drag that onto the little green portion. And now you can see you can do your little touch-ups here at the bottom. You have intensity, shadow, and feathered edge and cleanup edge. Those are pro tools, and I don't have pro, but this is just how to do it for free. So you're going to want to turn up your intensity just a little bit more to get rid of that green edge, and then you can hit check. And then you guys can hit export at the top, and you'll have a completely done looking green screen. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what that looks like. And guys, this is exactly what that looks like that you just exported. And this is how to do it fully on mobile. If you guys like this video, then please leave a like. And if you really loved it, then make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.